What if you could cut your monthly power bill by 30%? Use a solar panel plugged right into your wall outlet. No roof, no electrician, no landlord permission needed. Welcome back to Clean Titans. I'm Ali, and today we're uncovering the plug-and-play solar revolution taking America by storm. In Europe, we're already plugging solar directly into their walls. But in the US, utilities spent years fighting it. Until now. A massive legal shift in 2026 is changing the game for 44 million American apartment dwellers and renters. So what exactly is plug-and-play solar? Simply put, it's micro-solar designed like a kitchen appliance. In this video, we're breaking down how it works, which states legalized it, and reviewing top brands like EcoFlow, Anker, Jackery, and Craftstrom. Traditional solar requires heavy rooftop racks, permits, high-voltage wiring, and thousands in installation fees. Plug-and-play kits use 1 to 4 flexible, lightweight panels that hook to your balcony railing or patio stand in under 20 minutes. The magic is in the microinverter. It converts DC power from the panels into grid-synced AC electricity right at the outlet. Instead of storing energy or sending it miles away, your home immediately uses this solar power to run always-on appliances. Think of it as a load reducer. It slows down your power meter, spinning forward during peak sunshine hours. Save energy and cut costs. And when your lease ends, unplug it, fold up the panels, and carry your personal solar power plant to your next apartment. For years, power utilities claimed plug-in solar caused circuit overloads and line safety risks for repair crews. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: legalities and utility resistance in the United States. Enter standard UL 3700, the revolutionary safety framework launched specifically for interactive plug-in photovoltaic equipment. UL 3700 mandates rapid de-energization. The metal prongs go dead immediately. If you unplug the panel, it prevents shock in less than a second. It also mandates anti-islanding, automatically shutting off during power outages, so utility workers downstream remain 100% safe. Thanks to UL 3700, states are passing legislation to reclassify systems under 1200 watts as simple household appliances. Which states allow plug-and-play solar right now? Let's look at the pioneers leading America's legal revolution. Utah led the nation by passing House Bill 340, explicitly legalizing plug-in solar kits up to 1200 watts without utility red tape. Colorado took it even further, passing HB 1007, setting the highest power capacity limit in the entire nation at 1920 watts. Maine, Virginia, Maryland, Connecticut, Vermont, and New Hampshire quickly followed suit with identical plug-and-play protections. Over 20 additional states, including California, New York, and Illinois, have active legislation advancing right now. If your state hasn't passed a law yet, check with your local utility. Many allow interconnection with full notice filing. Now, let's dive into the ultimate brand matchup: EcoFlow, Anker, Jackery, and Craftstrom. Which one belongs on your balcony? First up, the EcoFlow Stream and Stream Ultra microinverter series. Arguably the most feature-packed system available. EcoFlow delivers up to 1200 watt output, 4 individual PV inputs with 3 MPPT trackers, and seamless integration with Delta power stations. Pros: 10-year warranty, incredible IP67 weatherproofing, flexible lightweight panel options, and an insanely easy 5-minute app pairing. Cons: lower maximum wattage capacity on entry models and proprietary mounting accessories that can add to upfront costs. Premium pricing and app complexity can be overwhelming for total beginners looking for a simple plug-and-forget setup. Next, the Anker Solix Balcony Solar System. Anker built this specifically for foolproof, ultra-durable installation. Pros: 10-year warranty, incredible IP67 weatherproofing, flexible lightweight panel options, and an insanely easy 5-minute app pairing. Cons: lower maximum wattage capacity on entry models and proprietary mounting accessories that can add to upfront costs. Third contender, the Jackery Navi series, a hybrid system combining balcony solar directly with portable storage. Built-in battery storage allows you to save excess daytime solar and power your apartment during expensive peak evening utility hours. Most affordable entry-level price, open hardware compatibility with standard panels, and zero proprietary lock-in. Cons: basic mobile monitoring software and fewer aesthetic options than premium brands. Fourth contender, Craftstrom plug-and-play kits, the pioneer focused on zero proprietary lock-in. Basic mobile monitoring software and fewer aesthetic finish options compared to premium consumer tech brands. So how much can a renter actually save? Let's crunch the real-world numbers. A typical 800-watt balcony kit generates 2 to 3 kilowatt-hours of clean electricity per day in sun-rich states. At high utility rates like California's 32 cents per kilowatt-hour, that's up to $35 a month off your electric bill. That means a $600 plug-in kit can completely pay for itself in under 18 to 24 months. After payback, every single watt produced for the next 20 years is 100% free energy. Here are 3 vital pro tips before you buy. Tip 1. Check your balcony orientation. South-facing gives maximum yield. Tip 2. Measure your balcony railing weight limits. Use heavy-duty UV-rated stainless steel cable ties or custom clamps. Tip 3. Never plug multiple solar kits into the same electrical circuit branch to ensure absolute thermal safety. Plug-and-play solar isn't just about saving money. It's about democratizing green energy for everyone, regardless of home ownership. At Clean Titans, we believe the transition to clean energy happens when power is put directly back into the hands of the people. Would you plug a solar panel into your apartment wall? Let me know in the comments below. Which brand review surprised you the most? EcoFlow, Anker, Jackery, or Craftstrom? Make sure to hit that like button if this guide helped you decode plug-in solar. Subscribe to Clean Titans for weekly deep dives into climate tech, EV innovations, hacks. Check out our video description below for direct links to all UL 3700 state legislation trackers and product discount codes. Want to learn how EV bidirectional charging turns your electric vehicle into a home solar battery? Watch our next video right here. We've interviewed visionaries across 25 countries and 6 continents, driving the sustainable future. Together, we're showcasing the pioneers making zero-emission living accessible to everyone. Don't let utilities convince you that solar belongs only to roof owners. The grid belongs to the future. Share this video with a renter or apartment dweller who wants to lower their energy bill today. Keep innovating, keep demanding clean energy, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching Clean Titans and supporting independent climate journalism. Subscribe for more.